likewise, if the war ends before the weekend ends, which can happen, as I mentioned, if it's a surgical strike and the objectives are met and they call it a day, remember, there is this liquidity here. I want you to know there's this liquidity here, right? So the market will have to grab this liquidity right here. And if we were gapping down quite substantially, then you have to pay close attention to quick reversals with the orange, or if it requires some time, with the magenta right here. So pay close attention as well to this particular green algorithm that's controlling the selling if it wants to taper slightly more, right? There's this magenta as well that's controlling here. So pay close attention. Also this orange that's controlling, and within the orange, green can also happen down. So pay close attention to that. Right, look out for the liquidity zones, as I mentioned. Any reversal, it will time together with the 5-day. You will not miss it. So you just pay close attention to that. It's not easy, so I will guide you along throughout the week, every single day. So don't worry. Yeah, we'll be guiding you every single day. It's not easy. It truly isn't. Not just about trading. But you have to stay focused because this is our job. We're here to feed our families. You have to stay focused, right? And stay emotionally, if you can, detach from this. Don't engage politically. Don't engage emotionally as much as you can. Trading must require you to be away from your emotions, and that's what you need to do. Right, so Discord members, see you in training tomorrow. Right, see you in training tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern. Right, and for the rest of you, please don't forget to watch the rest of the videos throughout the entire week so you can chain up the plays, chain up the thought process, and you'll be able to understand how to be looking out for the blue algorithm that was preparing for the dump anyway. And the green algorithm preparing the way, some liquidity here, you just have to pay close attention, especially this, right? Especially if we do not sell stronger than the orange. We stay in the magenta or obvious green liquidity here, right? You don't know that. You just have to prepare. As I've shown you, you cannot predict that, right? The market acts in very different ways. You just have to prepare, and you know. So I'll see you closer to opening bell. Thank you very much for watching.